Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I will be showing you how to make this bright floral hoop. You have fun colors and flowers, just about everything you need in a project to brighten up your home. So follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this floral hoop. To begin, you will take your watermelon acrylic paint and you will paint all sides of the hoop. Make sure you get the insides and every square inch of that hoop. You may have to wait for certain parts of it to dry to then flip it over, and you are going to want to do at least 2 coats, maybe even 3. While you wait for the paint to dry, you will take your flowers and cut off each individual flower, and you will leave several inches of stem on each individual flower. Once your hoop is completely dried, you will then take your jute and tie it to the hoop. I even used a little hot glue just to help with securing it. You will then take it across the hoop and start wrapping the jute around the hoop. And I wrapped it somewhere between 10 and 12 times before I secured the other end with a knot, and then got out all of my flowers to start weaving them through the jute. And I alternated them every other, going up and down, and tried to mix up the colors too. And when you have the jute go up on top of the flower, you then want to do the opposite on the next flower. Have the jute that is on top then be tucked under the flower. And so just kind of alternate how you are weaving them so that it creates tension in the jute to hold the flowers. Next, you will cut a large piece of jute and fold it in half to then create a knot, tying the ends together. You will then take that loop and put it under the ring and make sure that it's at the top of the ring. And then take the ends and pull it through the loop, and this then will create your hanger. Your bright floral hoop is now finished and ready to display. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all of the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.